In the last class we have read what is a file. Now today we are going to read what is a folder. A folder can be compared to a container where we keep our files. Okay? So a folder may contain one or several files, and a folder has a name. A folder is not a file, but it can contain several files. In addition to files, a folder can also contain other folders. So let us see what is folder. So you can see here some icons. These icons are called folders. So a folder is a place where you keep your files, and you can keep other folders also. The folder may contain a file, many files, or files and folders. So let us open this. Now see here, again there are some folders inside this file, inside this folder, and some files. So folder is a placeholder for files and folders also. Let us see the next topic. Next topic is Windows Explorer. Now Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. It allows us to manage and organize our files and folders. We can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename and search files and folders. We'll deal with all of these topics one by one later in this chapter. So let us see the steps to open Windows Explorer. So go to Start button, All Programs, Accessories, then Windows Explorer, or go to Start button and choose Computer. Let us see that. So see, this is Start button. Click here, then go to All Programs, then go to Accessories option, then choose Windows Explorer, and the window will appear. So this is Windows Explorer. Now let us explore the components of Windows Explorer. Now on the topmost part, this bar is called address bar. Okay, this one is called address bar. This one is called toolbar. On the right side you can see a box which is called search box. Okay, now this side, left side, this pane is called navigation panes, where you can see all the drives and the folders. Okay, and this part, whatever drive or folder you are going to select from the navigation pane will appear on this part of the window. So let us select C drive. So as soon as I have selected, see all the folders that are inside C drive are shown here. So this part shows all the folders, subfolders and files. Okay, so that was all the parts of Windows Explorer. So try these options, and then in the next class we'll move on to the next topic.